Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a letter to the headmaster. School name, post office, district. Subject, leave of absence. Sir, with due respect and honor, I beg to state that I am a student of class 10 in your school. It is very painful to say that I have been suffering from fever since Monday. Yesterday, I visited the doctor. The doctor has prescribed me to take complete bed rest for 7 days. So I will not be able to join the classes for 7 days. My prescription is attached here with the application. I therefore request you to kindly grant me a leave of 7 days and make me obliged. Thank you. Dated yours faithfully. Name, class, roll. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.